Welcome back. I'm your host, Darnell Jackson. In this crypto report, we're going to be figuring out what's best: Axie Infinity or Audius. But first, make sure you subscribe to your favorite channel on YouTube, Darnell Jackson Crypto. Shout out to all the subscribers. I'm relying on you right now. I need your help. We got to make a decision right now. And look, before we get to the decision, now is a great time to basically find where we're going to put our money. Dow Jones is down, and when the Dow is down, crypto's down too. So this is creating a great opportunity. This is giving us a good cover. Prices are going to be kind of held up for a second. So we got time, short amount of time, to make a good decision. All right, let's jump over to the options. All right, I want you to weigh in on this. We got two of the hottest coins in crypto right now: Audius and Axie Infinity. This is the comparison. I'm not going to get too caught up with the technicals because, in my opinion, you're just wasting time with the technicals. If the technicals was all of that, then all of the money would be made by the TA guys, and we know that's not the case. So here's the performance between Audius in the purple and AXS in the yellow. You're looking at 24 hours on their price. So you can kind of see they both kind of went down, right? So you can see that downward trend. That's because the Dow is down. So crypto is kind of going down. Just some quick comparisons between these two coins. Market cap: Axie Infinity is 4 times as big as Audius. The volume in 24 hours, interesting. Audius has more volume than Axie Infinity. Circulating supply, Audius has more than, I guess, 7 or 8 times as many. Axis has 60 million in circulation. Audius has 400 million in circulation. All right. And the rank: Axie Infinity is number 42. Audius is 91. So they're both in the top 100. So that should make it worthwhile for you to really consider this as an investment. So what's your choice, man? Post in the comments. Have you already made a decision? Are you in the Audius camp or the AXS camp? Let's figure out why. I want to jump over to, let's talk about the breaking news this week, and it's about Nas, Katy Perry, and all of these celebrities. They're putting their money in Audius. And it makes sense because they're musicians, and Audius is a music platform. It is being billed as a competitor for Spotify. This is big business. This is not a game. And so that is seriousness. So let's take a look at what else we're seeing here with Audius. I'm going to jump over to the Audius profile on Coin Market Cap. You can see its price performance. I'm going to jump over to Coinbase to really go over the price though, because I like the Coinbase chart. It works easier. And so you can kind of see Audius price at $2.77. All right. They're talking about where you can buy Audius. It is now, Audius is not available on Coinbase. So you can get it on Binance, Mandela Exchange, FTX. It says FTX, but not FTX US. And a couple other exchanges. Audius is a decentralized music sharing and streaming protocol that facilitates direct transactions between listeners and creators. This is game changer. The protocol consists of discovery nodes that index the Audius content ledger. Audio is the native utility token for participating in protocol governance, staking for running discovery or content nodes, so users will get a share of network fees, staking to unlock features like artist tokens and badges, and receive voting power from fans. This is pretty interesting. This is pretty interesting. All right. Market dominance. Let's see. Market rank is number 92. This is pretty interesting. I gotta tell you. When you look at what's happened, for example, take Jay-Z. He started the Tidal music app, and it came out of nowhere, and boom, it blew up. He had a couple artists jump on it, and the next thing you know, it blew up, and he made a bunch of money. So with the names that are behind Audius, I can see this doing very well. Let's jump over to the Audius website, audius.co. Just looking at audius.co, and it's already got an app. I haven't installed it, but I'll probably test this later. This is very interesting. I like the website right away. Talking about the token, we give everybody freedom to share and listen. We are pro-freedom around here. Audius is a brand new streaming platform built for all musicians, not just those signed to labels. Very strong, very strong. It's built with the best. They're talking about the people that are on the platform. These are some artists. It's designed for artists. Free forever, unlimited uploads, metrics, dashboards, and more. All free forever, no strings attached. What? Featured content. Audius is making an extremely strong offer right here. Highest audio quality of any streaming service. Talk about being sold. Post in the comments if you're sold already. Post in the comments if you've already clicked to download the Audius app. Or do you need to hear more? Are they going to oversell it? Finally, a modern streaming service designed with artists in mind. Remember, these were the things that I know Jay-Z was saying this type of stuff when he launched Tidal. Man, this is very interesting. You can see where this is going to fill a need in the marketplace. While Apple is too busy trying to control every single aspect of every single thing, you see Audius over here saying we don't need to do that. That is a compelling sales position. So that is Audius. Post in the comments if you're sold on Audius. Before I do, let me just show you the view on... Let's go to Audius first. I'm going to go to Audius, and then I'm going to show you Axie. Audius, it's not available on Coinbase. Audius all-time high was at $3.21. No, it was $4.99. This is why I need your help. Should we buy Audius? Its all-time high was $4.99. Okay, we know it didn't stay there. Let me draw my marker. It didn't stay here. No, it didn't stay there. It was only there for a short period of time, and then it went back down. But where is it going to go back to? Is it going to get back up here? See, when I draw on that chart, that like pulls the line up there. Is it going to get back up here? Post in the comments, what do you think? Right now it's at $2.79. It wasn't long ago. It was at $3. It's still at a very, 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 very early state. Okay? And so it's got opportunity to grow. All right, now let me jump over to, I'm going to jump over to the other option. Should we invest, if we're not going to invest in Audius, should we invest in the other coin that I'm comparing here, Axie Infinity? This is the coin AXS. Axie Infinity. You can see it's in the yellow, so you can see where it kind of, its price action over the past 24 hours kind of went down also. Slight recovery, but then down decently. Axie is the bigger coin compared to Audius. $4 billion, 4 times as big. All right, but the volume is less. Now, does that mean Audius is much more valuable? You know, you're 4 times as big, but you got 25% of the volume. What does that mean? Post in the comments. Its rank is much closer to the top. It's number 42. Axie Infinity. Let's take a look at some Axie Infinity details right now. This is the coin market cap page. See, Axies went down. You see a lot of red here. Axies went down. Is this our opportunity to get in? Is this our chance? All right. What is Axie Infinity? Axie Infinity is a blockchain-based trading and battling game that is partially owned and operated by its players. That's much different. Inspired by popular games like Pokemon, Axie Infinity allows players to collect, breed, raise, battle, and trade token-based creatures known as Axies. Okay. These Axies can take various forms, and there are more than 500 different body parts available. Okay, all right. This was created in 2018 by Sky Mavis. So Axie Infinity's been around for a minute. The team is primarily based in Vietnam. All right. So there's a difference there. It's a Vietnam application. It's a Vietnam-based team compared to Audius, which is an American-based. This is a American-based project. All right. So is that going to help you make your decision? Or do you want to support an American-based application? Okay, well, there you go. Go with Audius. If you're looking for, if that's not important to you, then maybe you're focused on Axie. All right, now let's jump over to some information about Axie. We're going to AxieInfinity.com. Take a look at their website. A digital nation, battle, collect, earn. And so they got an impressive website here. And they're talking about the most expensive Axie ever sold was 300 ETH. It's a lot of money. They got their storyline here. Axies are fierce creatures that love to battle. The biggest thing that I find about this platform is the play to earn revolution. This is game changer. Both of these coins are game changer, and that's why I needed your help today. It's called play to earn. This is what Axie has brought to the forefront. It's an opportunity for people to not only use the game for entertainment value, but to also get a few dollars. The one thing that I found that people need more than anything else is a way to make money. And so this is what really is attracting me to Axie Infinity. Post in the comments, what is your impressions or what impressed you the most about Axie Infinity? Check out some news story for Axie. This from Crunchbase. Who are the investors in Axie? We know that Audius has the music stars. Who are the investors? Let's take a look at some of them. 500 startups, Vietnam. I'm gonna find one that you'll recognize. Alexis Ohanian. Okay. And Mark Cuban. So here's somebody you'll recognize. Mark Cuban. Mark Cuban is the owner of the Dallas Mavericks, and he is an investor in Axie Infinity. Now, does that mean you can battle with him on the internet playing the game? Probably not, but he's battling to try to make some money investing in this platform. Should you join him? Are you going to join him? He chose to jump in with Axie Infinity. Obviously, he got in before you. Is it too late? Axie Infinity is funded by 10 investors. And so this is who they're showing here. Libertas Capital, Animoca Brands, so Pagean Blockchain Fund, Hashed, Consensus. Okay, so these are the big players behind this platform. And I want to hear what you got to say. I want to know which way should we go. I'm going to jump over here to, this is Audius. We're going to jump over here to Axie Infinity now. This is the bigger coin. And one thing that's also different is this coin is available on Coinbase. I'm going to show you the last month. Do you have an opportunity right now? Because the run up that you see up to 94 was right after they listed Axie Infinity on Coinbase. It ran up to 94 and then crashed. So now you're actually in a better position than you were before Axie Infinity listed on Coinbase. In other words, people that were over here thought that Axie was going to stay in the 94 range. It crashed down lower than where it was before the listing. This is what's making me really think about buying this coin. I can see it getting back up here and taking off. I can see it doing that. And are you going to miss the bus? That's the question. That's what I'm asking myself. I'm biting my fingernails off. Axie Infinity, it's made 40,000% return in the last year. How much more does it got left in the tank? The market's done 500%. Axie's done 40,000%. That's a little bit of a difference. How much more does it have in the tank? Well, when it has an income mechanism to it, that means that it's generating income. So it's not just looking to attract new investors. The platform itself generates income because of the way that it functions. People putting in money, investing in their Axies, right? Very interesting. I need your help. Post in the comments, which one should we buy? Axie Infinity or Audius? At this point in time, I want to thank you for watching this video and liking it and sharing it. If you didn't like this video, make sure you watch all my other videos. I got videos talking about crypto that come out daily. I'm sure you're going to like one of them. Watch about 10 of them. Watch 10 random videos. And I'm sure you'll like them. If you don't like them, share every video you watched with somebody who will. Until tomorrow, make sure you tell me which coin we should buy. Till tomorrow. 1.